You might have seen GrillRescue being promoted online as a safer and easier way to clean your grill. The company says it was founded by a South Florida firefighter and focuses on safety around grilling. According to the website, they also support first responders through the GrillRescue Foundation, offer 24/7 customer support, and provide a full 30-day money-back guarantee if customers are not satisfied. The brand presents itself as trustworthy, family-friendly, and built around quality customer care. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, based on many customer reviews online, especially from Trustpilot, there are several complaints that people should know before ordering from GrillRescue.com. One of the biggest issues customers mention is delayed or missing orders. Multiple buyers said they waited weeks or even months for products that either arrived incomplete or never showed up at all. Some customers claimed the company blamed shipping carriers, while others were told items were suddenly out of stock after being promised shipment. Another major complaint is customer service. Many reviewers described it as frustrating and extremely slow. Customers said there is no phone support and communication only happens through email. Several people mentioned getting repeated generic responses without actual solutions. In some cases, customers claimed they waited months just to receive missing items or refunds. There are also complaints about product quality. One reviewer said the grill brush broke after just one use because it would not stay attached to the handle. After sending photos to customer support, the customer said they stopped receiving replies completely. That kind of experience naturally raises concerns about durability and warranty support. Refund problems are another red flag mentioned repeatedly. Some customers claim they returned products at their own expense after being promised refunds, but then struggled for months trying to get their money back. A few reviewers even mentioned filing complaints through the Better Business Bureau just to get responses from the company. What makes these complaints stand out even more is that many customers said they trusted the brand because of the firefighter-owned image and first responder marketing. Some buyers felt disappointed because they expected better communication and reliability from a company promoting those values. That said, not every customer may have a bad experience, and some people probably do receive their products without issues. But when you see repeated complaints about shipping delays, poor communication, missing items, refund problems, and product quality concerns, it's definitely something worth considering before spending your money. So, is GrillRescue legit or a scam? Based on available information, it appears to be a real company that does ship products to customers. But the number of complaints and negative experiences online raises serious concerns about reliability and customer service. If you decide to order from them, it may be smart to use a payment method with buyer protection and carefully read the return policy first.